I've been learning all about this super cool art, the Japanese art of Kintsugi. And Kintsugi is the process of joining broken pottery with glue that's been filled with gold or silver or platinum. And it celebrates the cracks. It celebrates the breaking as part of the story, as part of the history of the object, instead of something to be ignored, hidden, or disguised. Kintsugi is about joining things together that have been destroyed. You see, as followers of Jesus, we're called to be peacemakers, not just recipients of peace or people that get peace, but we're called to be people that make peace, that give peace, people that make peace here on earth, like the peace that God has given us, peace that brings gratitude, peace that brings freedom, peace that brings hope. I don't know about you, but sometimes the world can feel so loud that I can't get a moment of peace. And that's what God's peace promises us. God's peace promises us stillness. God's peace promises us hope. And that's the kind of peace we can give to other people. You see, peace doesn't destroy things. It's not a destructive act. Peace doesn't come from criticizing your friend. Peace doesn't come from comparing yourself to someone on social media or in real life. Peace doesn't come from complaining. Peace is made by building things up, by joining things together, just like this broken pottery. This is how God makes peace, by restoring the things that we break here on earth. And when we make peace by encouraging a friend or by spending time in the Bible, when we make peace by being thankful or believing in the hope that Jesus offers us, when we make peace, we look more like Jesus.